Alright, the sun's coming up. It's about 7:15. We're down in Cabo. Next episode of Triphackr Travel Golf. We're at the Quivira Golf Club, just down the road from Pueblo Bonito and Pacifica, where I'm staying. You can actually see from right here, along with the sun coming up. Right over here, but a little hard to see that way. We're on the 5th hole, the first of 2 incredible signature holes here at Quivira. The tips are on this little island down here. Blues right up there. Playing the blues today, but couldn't resist hitting from this this location because this tee box is unreal. We're the first ones out, so we can get the drone up early and try to see if we can make par here. So let's do this. Ride today. Can't walk this course because of the ridiculous but awesome distance between 4 and 5. Just huge elevation gain, and it's like a 10+ minute cart ride alone. Just slow it up too much if you're walking it. So tee box is below there. You aim for about right here where you can see the drop zone. But I cleared the water, so I don't know where I am, but hopefully somewhere over here. Because if you cut this corner, you can filter down. Got a little lucky up in the rough. Pitched it on down. Have a reasonable birdie shot here. Tee box, took this line here up to there, down to here, and then made the putt. Not a bad hole number 5. Last comfort station right here. Second one's the best one though, because they make you fresh quesadillas and tacos. But they're all awesome. Stop at all. Alright, we just got to 16. It's one of my favorite driving holes. If you're on the tips or the blues, you're up on an elevated platform. And check this out. Kind of hard to see with the sun coming up, but it's a massive downhill drive, and your aiming point's that rock out there. Let's see what we can do here. But it's an awesome hole to look at. That's for damn sure. All right, we're coming up 18 at Quivira Golf Club, and quick course thoughts. Love the layout, love how they keep it natural. Even though that means getting lost in your golf cart sometimes because there's not really any marked cart paths for most of the course. I love this thing up here. The massive over my cart there. From hole 4 to 5, it takes about 10+ minutes to get to the next hole. But there's a comfort station, you know, with tacos and tequila, so you're good. And I love the course, but now, after we finish 18, we might hit the 19th hole in here. Actually, probably not, because it's only like 11 a.m. But gonna head into town for lunch, maybe check out a brewery, and enjoy Cabo a little bit more before I head home tomorrow. But overall, love Quivira Golf Club. Definitely come back next time I'm in Cabo. This is where I'm staying this week, Cabo Bonito, Pacifica Hotel. There's a few properties here, but this one's about, 5-8 minutes from the golf course. Perfect little home base, and only about 10-15 minutes from downtown Cabo. And so far I'm loving it. Awesome pool. Sky pool is actually pretty amazing. Way up at the top, I'll show you that here in a sec. And perfect place to stay when you're staying at Quivira Golf Club. Go check it out.